Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Datadog for big data pipeline observability, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Datadog account and the Datadog agent installed on your infrastructure. Next, log into your Datadog account. Navigate to the integrations page from the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Big Data. Select the relevant integration that corresponds to your big data technology. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the integration. Make sure to collect any necessary credentials or configuration details required for the integration. After installation, locate your data pipeline sensors or monitoring points within your architecture. Configure the Datadog agent to collect metrics from these points. You may need to edit the agent's configuration file, typically found in the /etc/Datadog agent directory. Define the relevant configuration settings for your specific data pipeline technology in this file. Save your changes and restart the Datadog agent to apply them. Next, head to the Datadog dashboard. Create a new dashboard to visualize your metrics. Select Add Graph and choose the appropriate visualizations for your data pipeline metrics. Customize the graphs to reflect the key performance indicators you want to monitor. Next, set up alerts for any anomalies or performance drops in your pipeline. Go to the Monitors section and create a new monitor. Define the conditions under which you want to receive alerts. Configure the notification settings so the right team members are informed. Once your alerts are set, make sure to test them to ensure they work as expected. Consider integrating log management by configuring the log collection feature of Datadog. Specify the log sources related to your data pipeline in the configuration file. After enabling log collection, verify that logs are being generated and sent to the Datadog platform. Now, explore additional features like APM for deeper performance analysis if applicable. Connect APM by following the integration setup specific to your data pipeline framework. Ensure all relevant services are monitored, and that traces are being collected. You can refine your dashboard further by adding widget filters to view data more flexibly. Organize your metrics and logs to align with the operational health of your pipeline. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.